Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by stopping the immediate problem. Save any recoverable file and close word. Then check Task Manager for processes consuming CPU or memory and end the ones blocking resources. Once done, disable add-ins temporarily from Word Safe mode to prevent extension conflicts. Make sure to restart Windows if Task Manager shows lingering Office processes. A clean boot often clears locked file handles and frees memory so Word can launch normally. Next, isolate whether Word or the document is at fault. Launch Word in safe mode by holding Control while opening. That disables add-ins and reveals if extensions cause freezes. If safe mode works, disable or remove problematic add-ins. Then run Office Quick Repair from Programs. If issues persist, choose Online Repair to reinstall core files. Meanwhile, try opening the specific document in WordPad or Google Docs to determine file corruption versus application error, which guides your next fix. Finally, recover and secure your work. Use Word's Open and Repair option or copy contents to a new file, and if needed, extract the document XML by renaming to zip. Then update Office and Windows to patch bugs and update device drivers to prevent crashes. Make sure to back up templates and custom settings before creating a new Windows user profile or reinstalling Office. If things still go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Test the document on another machine to confirm whether the file is corrupt or your PC environment is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.